Go guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Long Mynd. I think I'm going to call this one Long Mynd, the same but different. I'll just give you a quick tour of the scenery. Very murky, spooky and almost horror-like. But yeah, we're back again for another trip out. Same route, but I'm hopefully going to mix things up in the edit. As you can see behind me, hopefully, we've got a slightly smaller group. We're just running as one group. There's going to be 4 cars in total. There's me and Alana, then there's Chris that's yet to arrive, but hopefully he'll be arriving shortly. We've got Elliot. You will have seen Elliot in a previous video. He was in a Freelander too, but he now has a disco. And then we have Darren and Harrison. Hopefully they'll be at the back doing gate duty. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Cheers everyone. You're not going to park it on a nice bit of grass, are you?
Yeah.
Thought so. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love that bit. Absolute stunning lane, good fun, nice little bit of challenging, but not too challenging. Scenery out of this world, just keep climbing. Yeah, beautiful. Fantastic route. I'm going to assume this will be the last time we do this route until the end of the year, but we're just stopped, getting a bite to eat, chilling out, chinwag, photos, that sort of thing. And you know what, really enjoying this weather. I mean, for what was meant to be a throwing it down rain kind of day, absolute, it's turned out lovely, nice and warm, no heavy wind or anything like that. Really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat, have some chinwag, get some more pictures and whatnot, and then we'll head on for the next part of the run. can all watch Alana concentrate while I quickly do an intro. An outro, sorry. Sleep deprived, really is getting to me. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope I've done a good job in the edit and
Probably
kind of mixed it up. Yeah, it's probably going to be the same, let's face it. I'll leave you with some parting shots of us in the lay-by, because we're not going to the end like we normally do, because Alana is being very responsible this time. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. The Instagram logo is going to be
on my face,
on Alana's face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there it goes. Cheers everyone for watching, and goodbye.
Need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run, gonna show it down, baby, gonna have some fun.